Sergeant Andrew Frankel, Badge S29, City of Berkeley Traffic Bureau. In this next clip, the community member in question gets stopped for a number of vehicle code violations. When you're operating a motorized scooter, you're required to obey all traffic laws. He violated the following sections. He was talking on a cell phone while operating the scooter on the roadway. He did not stop at any of the 3 stop signs along his path. He passed a truck on the wrong side, was not wearing a helmet, and was unaware of any of the traffic laws.
Hi, could you pull over?
There are many types of mobility devices used by our community members. If you ride, it's your responsibility to be familiar with the laws and regulations that apply to the type you operate. This includes all specific licensing, registration, operation, and parking rules. The laws regarding mobility device use may differ on and off city streets and UC Berkeley's campus. These devices are a convenient form of transportation, but they're not without risk. The number of mobility device-related emergency room visits in the U.S. has surged by nearly 450% in 2017 to over 42,000 in 2021. To sum up this little public safety announcement, know the law for your type of mobility device, wear the appropriate equipment, and have fun and ride safe. I'm Sergeant Frankel with the Berkeley Police Traffic Bureau, wishing you safe travels on the roadways.